Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park field. Gonna take up the Dynam Grand Cruiser. Get her turned around here. Got a little bit of wind out of the south now, so right now I'm flying a 2700 Hobby Star 3S today. Get up over the sun here. This bird will now fly with no problem. Well, it flies on 3S or 4S, but if you buy the model, sorry about the sun, if you buy the model, understand if you read the specs on the motor, the stock motors that come with it, they're not rated for 4S. However, the ESC is. So rather to be safe and sorry, one thing I did is I changed the motors from a 1100 from a 1200, I think it's 1200 kV that come with it, and hold on. One of the easiest planes in the world to land. I mean, this thing lands so easy, but it's very squirrely for tricycle gear for whatever reason. It's very squirrely. But anyways, the ESCs are more, I think they're 50 amp, and they're definitely rated for 4S, but the stock motors are not. And I don't like, and also if you have the Dynam motors, they are, you know, you don't have any choice but to buy their, because they're props, or the props, you have no choice but to buy the Dynam props. And I don't like those. I mean, they're okay, and a lot of the warbirds are good, but I don't like those screw-on type, or at least the type they have for Dynam. I can't talk today. And I like to be able to have my own props, and so that's a good looking bird. So we're gonna land it with no flaps this time. But anyways, I just like to be able to, I don't like proprietary props like that. You know, I like being able to put my own props on there, and that's just me. And so that's what I've done. And because I put different motors on there, like I say, I think it's 1200 kV motors that come with it, and I put 1100 kV, or they're 1100 kV and I put 1000, but I put 1000 or 100 kV less than what comes with it. That means I can swing a slightly larger prop, or one with more pitch to it, a little more torque, and that's what I did. I opted for one with a little more torque, a little more pitch to it, which will give me a little more torque. Won't necessarily give me more speed, but it'll give me more torque, a little more power up out of a bad situation. Their flaps are down. All right. This time we'll land with just the takeoff flaps. A little bouncy, but not too bad.
Flaps up.
Got a minute and 41 seconds. We'll take off with takeoff flaps this time.
Takeoff flaps.
Oh man, beautiful. Get up over the sun there. Man, that not beautiful.
Landing flaps.
That was wonderful. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That's the Dynam Grand Cruiser, or a Cessna 310. And great bird. They say you can fly for sale, no problem with the stock. And that may be so, but I'm just a little more overcautious than what I need to be. So that's just me. But there you go, folks. I'm gonna adjust my rudder. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.
Motor off.